to connect Class of Clans with Facebook. To connect Class of Clans with Facebook. Hello everyone, I am here to guide you how you can connect the Class of Clans with Facebook. So connecting Class of Clans with Facebook allows you to easily save your progress. So you can connect with your friends and even you can invite them to join into your game. So here's the full guide to help you link your Class of Clans with your Facebook account. First of all, you have to go to your Play Store and search for the Class of Clans on the search bar. Once you have searched for the Class of Clans, you have to install the Class of Clans on your device. So wait until the installation has been successfully completed. So once you have installed the Class of Clans on your device, you have to launch the Class of Clans on your mobile device here. Just go and tap on the mobile open option. So here you can see that the Class of Clans is opening. So here you have to follow the on screen instructions. Here, just go for the open options. And also you can log in with your Supercell ID. So there is no way to connect your Class of Clans with your Facebook. You have to connect it with it. You have to connect it with your Supercell ID. So just go and write your Supercell ID and go for the login option. And the verification code has been sent to your email. You have to just go back and you have to write the verification code here. Just go back and open up your email. Once you have opened up your email here, you have to just go and select your email here. After selecting your email, you can see your Supercell ID here. So you have to just go and copy this or remember this here 067976. So write this confirmation code here 067976 and go for the submit option. After that, you have to just go for the confirm option here and you will be successfully log in with your Supercell ID on your Class of Clans and go for the agree option and go for the OK option. After that, on the top left corner of the screen, you can easily see your profile too here. So here you can see your profile too. After that, go for your social account and you can also search the player and see your friend here. And go for the join option. Also, you can join our clan too here. So here you can see your setting. Just tap on the setting icon. After that, you can go for your Supercell ID. So in your Supercell ID here, you can also change the Supercell ID to others. So there is no way to log in your So there is no way to connect your Class of Clans with your Facebook account. So you have to connect it with your Google ID. So with the help of this video, you will know about you can connect your Class of Clans with Facebook or not. That's it for today. If you like this video, please hit that like button and subscribe for more. I will see you in the next one. Thank you. If you like this video,